Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a quick and delicious bread pizza, perfect for evening snacks or even breakfast. First, take 5 to 6 slices of bread. Use multigrain bread for a healthier twist. Cut the bread pieces in triangle shape. The first frozen pizza was sold in 1962. Now in a bowl, take 3 eggs, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, and half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix well. Bread pizza is a quick alternative to traditional pizza, saving time and effort. Heat 1 tablespoon butter in a pan. Place the bread triangle pieces. Now pour the egg mixture over them. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Always cook on low heat to avoid burning the bread base. Then flip. Now spread pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella is the most widely used cheese for pizza worldwide. Top with green capsicum. Carrot. Add colorful veggies for extra crunch and nutrition. Red and yellow capsicum. This bread pizza can be made in whole wheat bread for a healthier option. And again spread mozzarella cheese. Season with oregano and chili flakes. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat until the cheese melts. Using eggs adds protein to your pizza base. Vegetable provides fiber and essential vitamins. Using less cheese keeps it lighter but still tasty. Your cheesy and crispy bread pizza is ready, a perfect quick snack for kids and adults alike. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy recipes.